guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another declutter video. Today I'm going to be tackling my dresser. So if you want to see me go through everything, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. I have an 8-drawer dresser from IKEA. I will link it down below. I actually changed out the knob. I didn't change them out. I just painted the knobs gold, and I had so much stuff in my dresser, so I'm gonna go through it. Last video I got a few comments and a few DMs asking if I would kind of explain going through some of the stuff and why I was decluttering it, so that's what I did in today's video. So let's get into my declutter. Also, everything that's in good shape that I'm getting rid of, I will be putting on my Poshmark, and that will be linked down below in case you guys are interested in it. Okay, this is my dresser. So this is bras and this is underwear. I'm going to declutter those on my own. This is workout clothing, and as you can see, I do have dividers in here. This used to be an organized situation. So that's workout clothes. This is like shorts, t-shirts, bathing suits, a bunch of stuff. Up here I've got socks. This is like a junk drawer. This is pajamas and more t-shirts. And then this is, who knows, leggings, sweatshirts, everything. So first things first, I'm going to take everything out of these drawers, and then we're going to start going through it. Okay, this is everything out of that dresser. This is a lot of stuff. I mean, yeah. So let's start going through it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of move this stuff to the side so I can see what I'm working with as I'm going through it. And I'm just gonna make piles behind me since there's not room right here. I'll go through some significant pieces about why I'm getting rid of them, but a lot of it I will just speed through since there's a lot here. So this bathing suit I'm going to keep. These bottoms, I was never really comfortable wearing, so I'm going to toss those. This top I'm going to get rid of because I just never wear it. I'm also going to make a pile for things I want to try on, so I'm going to try this on. I'm going to get rid of this, even though I think it's cute. I'm going to try this sports bra on. I'm going to get rid of this sports bra. It was just never enough support for me. I never wear this shirt anymore. This is the same as this in a different color, so I'm going to get rid of both of these. They're workout tanks. This is a t-shirt that I just never wear, so there's no point in keeping it, so I'll pass that along. Same with this. This is a tank top that I used to work out in. I just never wear it. I'm going to keep these. Whoa, I didn't realize these had a stain on them. Okay, I'm going to try to get the stain out, and if I can, I will keep these shorts. If not, I will throw them out. I'm going to pass on this bathing suit. This is my Detroit is the New Black tee. I'm going to keep this. This striped tee I absolutely love, so I'm going to keep that. And this long sleeve striped tee, I'm going to keep this too. This long sleeve pink tee just doesn't fit the way that I like anymore. These are my favorite denim shorts, so I'm going to keep these. I do not like the way that this sports bra fits, and this one too. I've actually only worn most of the sports bras in my drawers like 1 or 2 times. I might actually put them on Poshmark because I literally have not even sweat in the majority of them, and they're all the same size. So if you're like a medium, I probably have about 1 million sports bras that are very, very new for you. Same with this one. This is a barcode tank. It's just not my style, so I'm going to pass it on. These workout leggings I'm also going to pass on. These shorts I really like. They're just like these crepe shorts with pockets and a drawstring, so I'm going to keep these. This is that long sleeve waffle knit. I'm going to keep this too. I'm going to pass this on. Actually, I'm going to try this on. This is a really cute romper that I got last season from ASOS, so I'm going to keep this. This is a really cute off-the-shoulder top that I'm going to keep. This is one of my favorite tees. It has just a crisscross in the front, so I'm going to keep that. This is just a workout tank. It just says Detroit. I'm going to keep this. This is very discolored. I'm going to pass it on. These are boyfriend sweatpants. They're the most comfy thing ever, so I'm going to keep these. I've never even worn this top. Staying in is the new going out. I'm going to keep it. This is a Z Supply t-shirt. I've never worn it, so I'm actually going to put this on my Poshmark because this is a really good quality tee if you haven't tried out Z Supply before. I'm going to pass this on. I never wear it. I'm going to keep these. I never wear this anymore either. It's kind of like a flouncy top. I just never wear it, so I'm gonna pass it on. I never wear these leggings anymore, so I'll pass these on. These are like workout shorts. I'm gonna keep these just because in the summer they are very necessary. This is part of a bathing suit, the rest of it is somewhere else. I'm gonna pass this on. I don't know if I've ever worn this. This color just doesn't work for me. I never wear these workout leggings either, so I'm gonna toss these. This is an easy throw on tank or t-shirt, so I'm gonna keep this. I'm going to keep this bathing suit. I've had it forever. This is like my hot tub bathing suit because the chlorine kind of eats it up, so it's one that I just don't care about. I'm going to keep this tee. This is one of my Nike tanks that I like to work out in. Okay, this is so sad. I have been looking for this long sleeve, like little bell sleeved t-shirt for so long. I had no idea where it was, and it was crumpled in a mess in my drawer. So I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep this too. It literally looks like just a square box, but it's actually a really cute flowy top. This I'm going to pass on. It's just like a ratty white t-shirt. This Nike zip up I'm going to keep. I like to work out in that. These Express leggings I'm going to keep too. I like to work out in these. I'm going to pass this tank along. I just never wear it. Same with this one. Never wear this either, and I think this is the same tank in a different color. These two I'm going to pass these on, and this tank too. I actually really loved this tank. I just never wear it anymore, so there's no point in me keeping it if I'm not getting use out of it. This is just a basic long sleeve black tee. I like these if I need to shovel the snow or something. It's a practical thing for me to own, so I'm going to keep this. I've already passed on two of these in different colors, so I'm going to pass this one on. This is a Tigers tank top. I'm going to keep this. Baseball season is around the corner. This is a long sleeve baseball tee. I'm going to keep this too. This is an Athleta sweater. I love to lounge in this, so I'm going to keep that. This is the other part of the yellow bathing suit. This is a BCBG bathing suit. I'm going to pass this along. More sports bras that I just don't like. I'm going to pass these on. I'm going to pass this workout tank on. I think on Poshmark I might just do categories like 3 tanks, 3 workout sports bras, something like that, because I have a lot of stuff that I really haven't worn. This tank I'm going to keep for now and see if I wear it again. This is a really cute Detroit tank or a t-shirt, so I'm going to keep this. It's going to be good for baseball season. This is one of my favorite tanks to work out in, so I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep this tank too to work out in. These are the bottoms to my junky bathing suit that I keep. I'm going to pass this top on. This is one of my sleep tanks. I'll keep that. I'm going to pass this tank on. I never wear it. I never wear these. This is just a whatever t-shirt. I like to wear these around the house, so I'll keep that. This is one of my favorite tees with that crisscross, the same as the black one. This is a t-shirt that I never wear, so I'll pass it on. I'm going to pass on both of these bottoms, and actually I'm going to try this top on. This is another long sleeve tee, just really good to have in Michigan. This is a sweatshirt that I totally forgot about, and I used to wear it all the time, so I'm going to try it on and see if I still like it. This is a pair of leggings I used to wear all the time. They have these cute mesh details. I'm going to try these on and see if I still like them. These are sleep shorts I'll keep. These are sleep shorts I never wear, so I'm going to pass those on. I am going to keep this bathing suit. This is one of my favorites. This is a long sleeve shirt. It's just like a basic shirt. I'm going to keep that. These I'm going to pass on. They are from Nike. I really like them. I just never wear them. And then the same with these I'm going to pass on. 2 more sports bras I'm going to pass on. I know I'm being brutal, but I want to be. I want to get rid of a lot of stuff. This is a sleep tank. Oh, I'm keeping that. This is a one-piece bathing suit. I like it. It has a little keyhole. I'm going to keep that. This is another one piece. I'm not sure which one this is. I'm going to try this on. I'm going to try these bottoms on. I'm going to get rid of both of these and this top. I'm going to keep this. It's just a gray white or a gray t-shirt. I'm going to get rid of this tank top. I'm going to get rid of these gray workout shorts. I just don't really like the way that they fit me. I'm going to get rid of this t-shirt, this workout tank. This is a sleep tank that I will keep. I'm going to keep these shorts and these shorts. I'm going to get rid of this. This is a pair of Shortalls. I'm going to keep these. This is a like bra, built-in bra tank cami. I don't wear it. I'm going to pass it on. I totally forgot about these. I'm going to try them on. I'm going to get rid of these shorts because I never wear them. I'm going to get rid of this because I never wear this either. It's just like a thin hoodie. I'm going to get rid of this too. It's from Lululemon and it's just a long sleeve gray tee. I'm going to put this on Poshmark. I just never wear it. There's no point in me holding on to it. These joggers I'm going to keep. I wear them all the time. Along with this like slouchy tee I'm gonna keep. These are both just tanks that go under things, so I'm gonna keep both of those. This is another Tigers t-shirt. I'm gonna get rid of this one because I have other ones that I like more. I'm going to get rid of these workout leggings. I'm going to try this on. I haven't worn it in a long time, but I used to love it, so I'll try it on. These are Victoria's Secret leggings, like yoga leggings. I'm gonna pass those on. This is my only Tigers tee. I'll keep that. I'm gonna pass the sports bra on. These are both layering, like PJ tanks, so I'll keep those. I'm gonna pass this tee on and this tank top. This is actually from when I was a kid. It's from the school I went to, and I'm going to keep it. I've worn it on St. Patty's Day a couple times. It is hilarious because it's so old, but I'm gonna keep that. This is a Tigers tank that's just not my style anymore, so I'm gonna pass that on along with this one and this sports bra. This is the only Wings tee I have, so I am going to keep this one. These are my Lululemon leggings. I am actually going to put these on Poshmark too. I never wear these. I know everyone loves Lululemon leggings and they're nice, but I just don't feel the need to keep them. These sleep shorts I'm gonna pass on along with this Tigers sweatshirt, just not my style anymore. These Nike shorts I never wear. More shorts I'm going to pass on. I'm going to keep these sleep shorts. I'm going to pass on this tee, keep this one. This is a layering tank. Keep this workout thing. I'm going to try it on actually. These two pairs of leggings are the same in different colors. I used to really love them. I just don't wear them anymore. I prefer something more high-waisted, so I think I'm going to pass these on. I'm going to pass on this sweater. These are Zella leggings. I actually think I'm going to put these on Poshmark too because I just never wear these ones. And then these are another pair of workout leggings I'm going to get rid of. Okay, this is the pile of everything I am getting rid of. Anything that was a nicer bathing suit, like a Victoria's Secret bathing suit, or any of my name brand workout clothes, I will put on my Poshmark, which will be linked down below. This is the pile of stuff I'm keeping, which I think is less than half. And then this is the stuff I'm going to try on. So now it is time to put stuff back into these dividers and drawers. I need to see how it's going to work out for me this time, so we'll see. Let's do this. Okay, I have a lot of these containers, but this is kind of the makeup of what fits into one drawer. So it's either like 3 of these bigger ones across 6 of the tiny ones, or a really big one and a small one, or and a medium one. Okay, here are all of my shorts. So I'm just going to fold all of them. Okay, so I have my most worn jean shorts, my white shorts, and then my colored shorts, and then these are a romper and a shortall, so they're kind of like full body outfits. So that is the first bin. These are my 3 bikinis that I'm going to keep. I actually haven't bought a new bikini in a couple of years, so this year might be the year. And then this is my black one piece. So those are my bathing suits. Next up, I think I'm going to do t-shirts in one like this as well, a short sleeve and then a long sleeve. Okay, I'm going to try and organize these drawers the same way. So I'm going to put my long sleeve t-shirts in the back, followed by my short sleeve tees and my tanks. And then since my tanks are in this small one, I do have room still for another little small. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. And then my bathing suits and my shorts. So that drawer is done. In this one, I'm going to put my pajamas. So on this side I have my long pajama bottoms, short pajama bottoms, and then this is sleeping tees, or sleeping tops rather. And then I'm just going to put this, which is all of my sports tees in it, just because I don't know where else that would fit. Okay, this is my pajama drawer, and then my sports t-shirts. In here, bathing suits, shorts, tanks, short sleeve, long sleeve tees, and then I have that open area. This is my bras. This one has underwear. This is my sock drawer, so I have all of my athletic socks here, and they're just stacked up in pairs, so I can just grab and go. And then these are all just like ankle no-show socks. These are my socks that I think their matches are in the washer. I have all of them, I just don't know where they are. And then a couple of pairs of warmer fuzzy socks. That is everything I'm keeping. I do have some pairs of fuzzy socks that are in the wash as well. And then this drawer is empty. This drawer is empty. And this one I still need to clean out. I'm gonna do this at a later date when I have more time. And then inside my closet, I moved my workout clothes. So I have sports bras, workout tops, and workout leggings. So that is where my workout clothes are going to live. This is the bag of donations, and then this stuff will be put on Poshmark very soon. So definitely head over there and follow me if you're interested in any of that. Alrighty guys, I feel like I did so good. I'm actually really proud of myself. I'm getting rid of more than what I'm keeping, which is amazing. Like I said before, everything will be linked on Poshmark if it's in good shape. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.